Let us choose the Christmas cookies. In the first session, she taught us through play. Thank you, Miss Cole.
I like this course because I learned how to look in and out of the car. She also taught me how to walk properly and how to greet people properly. Thank you, Miss Cole. I like this course because Miss Cole taught me dining etiquette.